Am I recording? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my LipMonthly subscription bag. I just got it today, so I'm super excited. Let's see what we got. This is my second bag from LipMonthly, so I'm really excited to see what we have today. So they sent me a cute little bag with like leaves, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, and it says LipMonthly right there. So let's open it. Oh, so it comes with a cute little card that says New Adventures, March 2019. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Alright, so the first thing that I see here is from the brand Bang Beauty. Last month we also got liquid lipstick from Bang Beauty. So let's see what we got today. Cool, so it looks like we got a lip crayon from Bang Beauty. And it is in the shade Kiss Me. This is what it looks like. We're gonna swatch it. Ooh, super creamy. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys could see. It's really pretty. I'm gonna swatch it on my lips right now. This lip crayon is funny. It's like super nude. So I don't know. The swatch looks like it was gonna be like a darker pink or whatever. But on my lips, it looks like I ripped off my lips. Like they're not there. I don't know. So I'm not a big fan of this lip crayon. But maybe it would work with a gloss on top. Maybe if I wear a lip liner under this, it will work. So I'll try that out. But I do like how it feels. It feels moisturizing on my lips. But yeah, that's that. Alright, let's see. The second thing I see here is from the brand Dirty Little Secret. And it comes in a cute little box like this. And they sent me a cream lipstick in the shade Bashful. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is what the wand looks like. Or applicator, whatever you prefer to call it. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. So it looks like a peachy color, if I'm not wrong. It looks pretty and it smells good. It smells like peaches. So I like how this cream lipstick applies. It's really creamy, but at first it did look like blotchy, so I had to go with a applicator twice. But so far I like it. What do you guys think? It feels moisturizing, but it does have like a weird flavor. But I mean, I don't mind it that much. I like how it looks. This one I really like. Alright, so let's go on with the third thing that I see here is from the brand Per Se Professional. And it is a voluptuous, I think that's how you pronounce it, lip enhancer gloss. So this is what it looks like. Oops, it's backwards. Ta-da! There's the applicator. So it looks a little darker than the cream lipstick that I'm wearing right now. And it looks pretty. Wait, I've ate this before. It's like donuts or pancakes or something. With a hint of whipped cream? I'm not sure. It smells sweet and it smells good though. It is in the flavor, it's in the shade Frisky Summer. I feel like this lip gloss would look good on top of the nude lip crayon that I didn't really like. This is what the Per Se lip gloss looks like. I like it. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels like chapstick. Okay, so I really like this lip gloss. It doesn't taste like anything, but you can smell the lip gloss. I don't know, it smells good. Like I want to eat my lips. So yeah, it's a moisturizing lip gloss. And it's not sticky. Cool, I really like this one. So that's a keeper. Alright, so now on to the last product. And the fourth thing that I have here is a holographic lip gloss from the brand Appeal. If you guys watched my BoxyCharm, they also send us something from this brand. And I have it right here. They send us the liquid eyeshadow and the brand Appeal. I've never heard of this brand until I got the BoxyCharm. But anyways, back to the lip gloss. So it's like metallic lip gloss. Let me try it out. I'm really excited that I got lip glosses because I've been liking lip glosses lately. So yeah. So it's just the regular applicator. So it just looks like a clear lip gloss with shimmer. So I'm really happy that I got that. So I'm gonna try this lip gloss out. Very creamy. The wand doesn't get a lot of product though, so I have to go in a couple of times. So my lips feel juicy. So it's just the regular lip gloss. It's clear with hints of shimmer. I like it. So I'm gonna be wearing all of these a lot. Maybe not the lip crayon though. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna use that with something else. So yeah, that is everything I received in my March Lip Monthly bag. I really like everything except for the lip crayon, as I said. I still feel like this is worth $12 because I know these retail for like $14, I believe. I'm gonna be leaving the price of each product when I mention it in my video. So yeah, I'm really happy with all of this. So yeah, what do you guys think about my Lip Monthly bag? Do you guys think it was worth it? Do you guys like any of these lip products that I received? Have you guys tried them before? Let me know. I'm really excited that I'm subscribed to this bag. I can't wait to see what I get next month. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.